Hello everyone. You are listening to this audiobook on channel Voice for Purpose by NSS IIT Bombay.
Needless to say, doctors, nurses, and people working in the healthcare sector are particularly vulnerable to the highly infectious disease of coronavirus. In response to the global pandemic, under-resourced doctors are facing unprecedented challenges. The list of the sleep-deprived heroes include doctors, nurses, medical cleaners, pathologists, paramedics, ambulance drivers, and healthcare administrators. In the fight against coronavirus, the brave medical army stands strong with thermometers, stethoscopes, and ventilators as their weapon. Not to forget, medical researchers are working day in and night out, all against all odds, hoping to find the antidote to the disease. Since the coronavirus outbreak, healthcare professionals have not only experienced the gratification of healing patients and saving their lives, but have also lost many battles along the way. On top of that, many doctors have even sacrificed their own lives in the line of duty. Every day, the selfless warriors give it their all in healthcare settings while cutting themselves off from their families and loved ones. The sacrifice they are making for humanity's safety and welfare is priceless and deserves lifelong gratitude on our end. Most importantly, we must reassess the value healthcare workers hold in our lives and the kind of treatment they get from us. Among the several lessons this coronavirus pandemic has been teaching us, the biggest one is to find ways to sufficiently invest in the better and more efficient medical fraternity and give medical professionals the respect, compensation, and infrastructure that they truly deserve once this crisis is over. Moreover, the world needs to work towards advancement in medical research and technology. Nothing will be a more remarkable tribute to the health workers than this. That being said, we would now like to highlight the heroic efforts of some courageous and inspiring doctors from across the globe who lost their lives while saving the lives of COVID-19 patients. Dr. Joginder Chaudhary from India. The 27-year-old was a doctor, the first from their tiny village in central India. He was the eldest son, counted on to send money back to support his parents. He was a dreamer who wanted to open the first clinic to serve his village. Chaudhary carried those hopes and dreams with him as he began working at a New Delhi hospital, aware of the risks of his profession as the coronavirus marched through India's cities and distant villages the previous summer. He never had the ego of a doctor. He talked to everyone politely and treated the nursing staff and patients with utter kindness, said Dr. Rameshwar Sangwan, Chaudhary's mentor at Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Hospital where he worked. Like most of his friends, he wanted to study at a medical school in China after finishing high school, and on returning to India in 2019, Chaudhary was on a mission. While pursuing postgraduate medical education, he found his first job as a junior resident at the government hospital in New Delhi. He wanted to specialize in orthopedics or anesthesia. Chaudhary spent his first salary on motorbike for his father. The family's financial burden was finally lightening, but in late June during routine tests, Chaudhary found that he was infected with the virus. After his condition began deteriorating, he was admitted into the COVID-19 isolation ward at the hospital where he worked. His condition worsened over the ensuing few weeks as he was shuttled to a private hospital of his choice. After battling the disease for more than a month, Chaudhary died on 26 July from multiple organ failure after an infection in his lungs caused pneumonia. Doctors at Ambedkar Hospital, his friends, and other donors pooled their money to start a fund to pay for his treatment. Later, Sir Gangaram Hospital, where he breathed his last, waived all his fees. Two Indian origin doctors, a father and a daughter, who died of COVID-19 after contracting the deadly disease while treating the infected patients, have been hailed by the New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy for their selfless dedication to caring for others. Murphy said that Satyendra Dev Khanna and his daughter Priya Khanna dedicated their lives to others and we lost them to COVID-19. Satyendra Khanna was a pioneering doctor and was among the first surgeons to perform laparoscopic surgery in New Jersey. The governor added, he had worked as head of surgical departments for decades at several hospitals and died at Clara Mass Medical Center where he had worked for more than 35 years. He graduated from Maulana Azad Medical College in New Delhi in 1964. Priya Khanna was a nephrologist who had received her medical degree from Kansas City School of Medicine in 2003. Murphy said that she was the medical director at the 2 dialysis center and also trained doctors. He said that she was taking pride in teaching the next generation of doctors, and it should be noted that the intensive unit care physician who cared for her was also trained and taught by her. She will be remembered as a caring and selfless person who put others first, said Murphy.
So hope you guys had fun. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting audiobooks.